I'm at the all-new Dockside Inn and Suites at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. So how about you and I dive right in. Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Theme Park Obsession video. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Yeah, today we're checking out the all-new Dockside Inn and Suites here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. It just opened a few days ago. This is hot and fresh out the kitchen. An all-new hotel. I love it. We're going to be staying here for a few days. This is the sister hotel to Surfside Inn. Surfside is another amazing hotel, and if you're used to Surfside, you'll be familiar with this place too. Now, upon arrival, you'll notice that the hotel is quite large. It is 2 towers. So the tower over here and a tower over here. They each have a pool. One of them has a little kiddie-like play area, and they both have bars. And just to get your bearings, Surfside's right over there. This is just right across the street. It's really nice. Now, just like Surfside and all the other hotels, Universal offers a shuttle to and from the theme parks and, of course, Volcano Bay. And then upon entering the main lobby here, they have a beautiful Christmas tree. Look at the decorations. We've got the driftwood there in the back. There's a ton of people checking in today. This is a very popular hotel. And one of the main reasons why a lot of people are checking in is because they're closing Surfside Inn and Suites starting January 6th. They're moving the whole operation over here because it is a larger facility. Go ahead and close Surfside. I'm assuming that's just for cost-cutting measures. And then eventually down the road, Surfside will open back up once more tourism comes to Florida. I do like how they have plenty of seating available here in the main lobby, as well as these tables that have the outlets built right in, including the USB ports, which is like an amazing thing. I mean, that is like so convenient. They also have the Sunset Lounge. They have a bunch of beer on tap. They also serve mixed cocktails. They have a specialty drink menu right up there, which is nice. And the prices for the drinks range anywhere from $10 to $12. It's pretty affordable for theme park pricing. Now, just around the corner, this is where the cafe is located with plenty of seating. This is a huge seating area, and I love how they have, looks like the underbelly of the pier here. That's a really nice touch. And then you see these subtle like bits of theming throughout the hotel. Again, plenty of seating. And the cafe is slightly larger than the one over at Surfside Inn and Suites. I would say probably like 3 times the size of the cafe at Surfside because it's really affordable. And I think the same thing goes here. Yeah, I mean, the pricing is relatively the same. Ooh, wow, look at that dessert, the cheesecake. I might have to get like 14,000 of those. Ooh, look at the cinnamon rolls. And here are the salads. These range from $10 to $11. Not too bad of a price at all. Ooh, wow, this looks so good. And of course, they have plenty of grab-and-go beverages. They have orange juice, tea, soda, energy drinks. They have alcohol and milk, soy milk? Oh yeah, they got it all. And they also have a pastry case. You can get some chips here, cereals. They have plenty of these souvenir mugs available. Salsa. Of course, we have the Universal Studios store available for you, just like at the other hotel at Surfside. You get everything. They also have like sunscreen and stuff like that here. So if you forget anything, you can also just kind of grab it right here. And this is what the gift shop looks like. They got some Quicksilver stuff over here. They have some Universal branded stuff. Sandals, cups, mugs, t-shirts, hats, glasses. There's actually some really cool stuff here too. Look, they got like a, what is this, a candle? I think so, yeah, it's a candle. How neat. And like I said, they have your necessities, like they have some Advil, Pepto-Bismol, they have diapers. They have just about everything you need. They even have bottles and sunscreen. They have some Tide to Go sticks. And of course, they have a little bit of candy, some candy from the Wizarding World. They also have the game room here, open from 8 a.m. to 12, but because of the current situation, it is closed for the time being. Now they also have a fitness facility, of course, perfect for my dad. This is what he was waiting for. They do have specific hours though for cleaning, so just keep that in mind when you're working out. All right, so they don't have a jacuzzi, but this is what was on the map. It's like a little kids play area. I love the sandy beach vibe going on here. Of course, there's no need to bring your towels from the room. They have towels available at the pool. And this is what the pool looks like. Looks like it's a maximum 3'4", and it of course is heated. Everyone's in the theme park right now, so it's a little bit dead. I'm sure in just a little bit this will be packed. And of course, they have the Oasis bar over there in the corner. And if you're wondering, they do have an Avis rental car desk for you, so if you need to rent a car for the day, they got you covered. Am I the only one that When I walk down a hallway like this, I just think of The Shining. Now, don't worry, I didn't forget about the laundry. Let's go check that out. And yeah, they have guest laundry available for you on the 3rd and the 9th level of each tower. So if you're staying in one tower and you're kind of worried that you have to walk over to another, don't worry, you just have to go down to either the 3rd or the 9th floor. There's a change machine for you. These are $3 each, $3 to wash and $3 to dry. They have a little TV in here if you want to chill in here while you do your laundry or go back to your room. And they also have a soap dispenser if you didn't bring your own laundry soap. Now, just a little pro tip here when it comes to laundry, there is a Walgreens right across the street on International Drive where Dockside and Surfside are located. So I suggest going over there, picking up some Tide Pods or whatever you got to do. You might save a few bucks doing it that way versus having to buy the soap here at the hotel. But yeah, it's just right across the street. You can get your laundry soap, your beads if you want, all that fun stuff. And remember, to access the guest laundry, you need your room key, so don't forget that. Alrighty, we made it. There's also an ironing board and an iron, and then your thermostats right there to control the temp in the room. And now if you've been to Surfside, Dockside is pretty much identical. There's just subtle differences here and there. I'm noticing that the ceiling is a little bit higher. Of course, the artwork is a little bit different, but other than that, the room is pretty much the same. So if you're a fan of Surfside, and even Cabana Bay, the Cabana Bay is very similar as well. Dockside has got you covered as far as aesthetics because it's really nice. 2 queen beds in the standard room. Obviously, if you up to the 2-bedroom suite, it's a little bit more, actually not by much. I think it's a little bit like a little over $100, like under 110 bucks a night, which is still pretty affordable. This particular room I got for $79 a night, I believe, with an annual pass holder discount. Even if you don't have an annual pass, it's like less than 90 bucks a night, sometimes less than 70 bucks a night. It's really affordable. Universal killed it with their value resorts. Yes, you do have a fridge available in the standard room, which is great. Plenty of storage. You have your plugs, your USB and USB type 2. You have the phone, television, some really nice lighting up here. This is really cool. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty spacious in here. I think because of the high ceiling, it kind of helps a little bit too. It's super clean, aesthetic. I mean, I really do love this. And of course, the view is going to vary. This is our view for right now. This is what your bathroom looks like. Again, super simple, clean. Hello. They give you some soap, shampoo, all that fun stuff. You have a hair dryer, plenty of towels, washcloths. And then here is the shower. Let's turn that on. Like I said, you got the shampoo and conditioner. You can request as much as you want. Body wash, pretty nice clean shower, pretty standard. Now some of the rooms have the cloth and then other rooms have the glass slider, which is really cool. And again, subtle differences with the tile. Other like Surfside has a darker tone. This has a more lighter tone. It's really nice. I love the Endless Summer Resort here at Universal Studios. And look at this, more USB ports and plugs right by the beds. And of course you get a little complimentary hand sanitizer. Alrighty, so this is what the 2-bedroom suite looks like here at Dockside. So if you've been to Surfside, again, it's gonna look very similar. We have the giant surfboard here, which is nice. Kind of separates the room a little bit. We have 2 queen beds, comes standard. We have your alarm clock right there, USB ports in the center. And this is our view. Love that, look at that. A beautiful view out to the lake. You can see Volcano Bay off in the distance, as well as the Cabana Bay towers. And then here's one of the 2 pools. Of course, you have your air conditioning and heat. You have some lights, you have a nice sized TV. We have your phone, some more beautiful artwork here. More USB ports and plugs, plenty of storage for whatever you want to put in here. It's really nice. And then we also have like the kitchenette area. So we have a nice little bench for seating. We have a fridge, a microwave, a coffee maker. We have the ice container up there. So yeah, really nice. You can, if you go over to Walgreens next door, you can buy some frozen items or whatever, pop them in the microwave and you're good. So you don't have to, if you don't want to buy anything down at the cafe, they have everything covered for you right here. And they also have a little drawer that opens with all of your silverware and coffee. And then we have the double sinks, which is nice. It's different from the standard room that just has the 1 sink. Plenty of towels and all that fun stuff. It comes with a tissue box. Hello. And this is what the Shower looks like, again, another pull out for your bathing suits and whatnot. Shampoo and conditioner included, toilet paper, all that fun stuff. It's a nice bathroom. Now you can see that the tile is only in the bathroom. The rest is this hardwood, which is really nice. It's sort of like a laminate. The laminate goes all the way through the hotel room and even into the second bedroom. Look at this. Again, another gorgeous view out to the lake and to the pool. Love that. And then here is another queen size bed. So this room sleeps up to 6 people, which is amazing for the price. Each side has ports for your phones and whatnot. There's another TV in this room, which is really nice. And of course, some hooks to hang your backpacks or coats, whatever you want. And then if you're wondering where like the coat closet is, it's in the second bedroom along with the iron and the ironing board, so you can hang all your stuff in there. But yeah, this is a really nice room. Again, nice high ceilings and super clean, modern look. I mean, everything's just kind of like put together really nicely, which we both really like. Now there's not, like I said, there's nothing wrong with the standard room. The standard room is very nice. It's extremely affordable. And I mean, as far as affordability, this room is too. The only reason why we upgraded was this guy right over here. He just wanted the extra space. And like you said, there's nothing wrong with the standard room. It's nice.
Yeah, the standard room's really nice.
But my dad's used to like, he just, when he stays at these places, he just wants to spend the extra money and just go all out. So, hey, that's not a bad thing, right? And it wasn't that much expensive. How much more was it a night to stay to this room?
Came out to like $38.
So $38 extra a night, which is
a room like this, yeah.
Yeah, which is really cool. So again, it's not a bad price at all. This is a value resort by definition, Dockside and Surfside. Now, just a heads up though, Surfside is going to be closing in January. So yeah, January 6th. So they're gonna move everyone over here to Dockside. It's literally the same kind of layout. Like this room right here, I've stayed in this room at Surfside, and I can tell you just from first impression, it's pretty much the same. The only difference are like some of the color schemes. The artwork's different. The surfboards, I think it's a little bit bigger. But other than that, it's a solid room and perfect for if you're staying here for quite some time. You know, like looking this way, I wonder if Universal tried to buy out a couple of these hotels right here, especially like this smaller one. I wonder if Universal like approached them, or if they were like, you know, kind of wondering who else was going to sell and see how much property they went away. Because I'm assuming, you know, Universal's trying to buy up as much property as they can so they can build more hotels. But it is interesting to see what's going to happen in the next, 10 years, especially when the all-new theme park opens up, Epic Universe, which will be directly behind this view. So yeah, I mean, there's for sure going to be more hotels, but I just wonder where they're going to put them. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel and you love theme park content, including the hotel stuff, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you stay up to date on every time I post new videos. The all-new Dockside Inn & Suites here at Universal's Endless Summer Resort is the perfect place to stay, especially if you want to save a couple bucks and be on property. That's what's so convenient. Staying on property, take the shuttle right to the theme parks and City Walk and Volcano Bay. I mean, it's awesome. You can't beat it for the price. Huge shout out to my Buy Me a Coffee members that help me out every single month. And also, I have an Instagram account. I'll leave that link down below in the description. Be sure to follow that because I post there sometimes. I don't normally post here on YouTube. But other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.